The state of New York is to turn off non-essential lights in state-run buildings to help birds navigate their migratory routes in spring and autumn. Migrating birds are believed to use stars to navigate, but they can be disorientated by electric lights, causing them to crash into buildings. The phenomenon, known as fatal light attraction, is estimated to kill up to 1 billion birds a year in the U.S. Millions of birds migrate through New York along the Atlantic Flyway route. Now those passing over the city by night will stand a better chance of making it further north. New York Governor Andrew Cuomo said on Monday that bright outdoor lights will be turned off between 2300 hours and dawn during peak migration seasons in spring and autumn. The state will join several well-known New York landmarks that have already signed up to the National Audubon Society's Lights Out program, including the Rockefeller Center, Chrysler Building and Time Warner Center.